Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your website with Weebly so you can navigate the editor, manage your pages, and update your content with ease. Let's get into it. First, navigate to the editor. Before you can make any changes, you need to jump from your account dashboard into the actual website builder. From your main account overview, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Website. A small menu will appear. Select Edit Site from the dropdown. This will launch the visual editor, where you'll see a live preview of your website ready for customization. Next, change text and content. Updating your site's information is as simple as clicking and typing. You don't need to go into any complex menus to change what your visitors read. Simply hover over any text on your page, like a headline or a paragraph, and click directly on it. A blue box will appear around the text and a formatting toolbar will pop up. You can now highlight the existing words and type in your new content. This toolbar also allows you to change the font size, color, or bold specific words to make them stand out. If you want to change the text on a button, just click the button once. A settings window will appear where you can type in a new button text label and link it to a different page or website. Lastly, create a drop-down menu. A drop-down menu is a great way to keep your navigation bar clean while still having plenty of pages for your visitors to explore. Click the Pages tab in the top navigation bar of the editor. You will see a list of all your site pages in the sidebar. To create a drop-down, click and hold a page, then drag it underneath a main page and slightly to the right. You'll see the page indent. Now, when someone hovers over that main parent page on your live site, the child page will drop down in a neat menu. You can stack multiple pages this way to keep your navigation organized. And that's pretty much it. To edit your site in 2026, navigate to Website, Edit Site from your dashboard. Once inside, you can click any text to change it instantly. If your menu is getting crowded, head to the Pages tab and drag your pages into an indented position to create a clean drop-down menu for your visitors. I hope this helps you out, and I see you in the next one.